Hi there, Kevin Tharp here. Today we're going to be continuing on with the community garden case study using Aptana Studio to work our way through adding CSS to our documents. The first thing that you need to understand is that if you haven't already got it, the CSS cascade has a series of layers where it is going to apply styles. There is a default that comes with the browser, and then it flows down to external, embedded, and then inline. And so when you first look at a web page, if you have not applied any kind of CSS to it, you're going to have a set of rules that are automatically applied by default by the browser, and that is what we're going to override here so that you've got total control of it. The way that we're going to do that is we are going to go to the Meyer Web, and we're going to use the Meyer Web reset style sheet, and it happens to be in version 2.0. The code looks kind of like this. So what we're going to do is we're just going to go ahead and save a copy of that, and we're going to save that into our website. And if you've not already, you need to make sure that in your case studies folder you should have a CSS folder, and in that what we want to do is we want to call this case study reset .css. And the reason I'm giving that name not instead of just reset is that you'll be using a series of reset style sheets, and this one allows you to make sure that if you do come in and make any changes to it accidentally instead of in other style sheets, that it doesn't carry over to other projects. So I like to keep my files separate that way. So anyway, I save this, and then when I come into my Aptana, you'll notice that it is propagated in there. When I open it up, you'll see a whole series of settings here, some of them for older browsers. We're not going to really pay much attention to those. And then what you've got here at the beginning is you've got a set of elements that it is going to apply the same set of properties. So we've got a multiple rules here, or multiple elements that it's going to apply, and it's going to apply a margin of 0, a padding of 0, a border of 0, font size 100%. It's going to inherit the font, and it's going to set the vertical line to baseline. So it's going to do that for all of our elements. And so what we'll have to do is we will have to go back through and we'll have to rebuild those different properties as we make our way along. We'll take care of that in a couple videos later down the road, but for now we want to make sure that we've got the reset style sheet into our case studies folder so that it's ready for us to use.